If you're deep into the crypto space, you've probably heard of Metamask. If you still haven't created your Metamask wallet, this video is for you. It will be a full tutorial on what Metamask is and everything around it. The installation process, creating an account, how to use it with decentralized applications, and what opportunities does it give back for using it. Let's begin with what is Metamask. Metamask is one of the most famous crypto wallets in the Web3 space. And it is also free to use. It was created in 2016 and its main function was to make transaction on the Ethereum network be as easy as possible. The project grew much more than that, and now you can use an abundance of networks like Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Phantom, Optimism, and Arbitrum. Metamask is a browser plugin and is installed like any other plugin. Let me quickly show you. You go to metamask.io, and when I say go there, I mean literally type metamask.io in your browser. Do not search for it in Google. Do not search for it in the extensions. There are always a ton of fishy websites that want to scam you. Once you're there, go to the download section. You can see that Metamask supports most of the famous browsers. In my case, I'll be using Chrome. I click on it and it takes me to the extensions page. I hit add and the installation process takes a few seconds. Open the extension either from the bar or from the three dots, then extensions, then Metamask. The application will open automatically and you should get this window with this fox that follows your cursor. In this window you are prompted to choose to either import your wallet or create a new wallet. If you have a wallet, you can import it from here. You will need your seed phrases from the creation process in order to import it. I assume since you are watching this video you probably don't have one, so let's quickly create a new wallet. Click on create a wallet. Agree to all the terms. Next you need to enter a password. Make sure you type in a complex one, using upper and lower cases, numbers and even special characters. And for God's sake, do not store it on your computer or anywhere digitally. Type it out on some kind of paper like in the good old days, even back it up with another paper. Or if you want to be as secure as possible, buy one of these steel seeds that has your seed phrases carved in them. They are basically indestructible, resistant to time, resistant to fire, etc. That's probably the safest option out there. After entering your password, there is a video that explains very well everything on seed phrases and why they are so important. I advise you to watch it. Once you are done with the video, you are being given your secret recovery phrase. As you can see in the description from the plugin, it makes it easy to backup and restore your account. Below that is the warning section which says never disclose your secret recovery phrase. Anyone with this phrase can take your Ether forever. Now that you have written down your seed, you need to select each phrase in the correct order. Once you're done, hit all done and we are done. We officially created a Metamask wallet. In case I didn't emphasize enough in my warnings, read the tips from Metamask as well. Now let's start using it. Once you open it, you can see the design is pretty simple. You have your account name with the address below that, the amount of ETH you have, and a few trading options. We also have the tokens tab, which shows your tokens, the NFTs tab, and then the activity tab. Now, in order to use Metamask, you need ETH. I just created this account and it has 0 ETH, so let me quickly send some from my Binance account. If you are not familiar with how to do that, leave a comment down below. If you guys are struggling, I will make a quick video on how to transfer money from Binance to Metamask. You can also directly buy and sell from the first button. If you want to send tokens, it is also quite simple. Click on the send button and choose the amount and the address you want to send to. I added some ETH to our account, so now it's time for the fun part. Let's interact with some real-world decentralized applications. For example, Uniswap. We go to Uniswap. Remember to not type it in Google. Just take a look what the address is, see if it's the correct one and type it directly in your browser. Now we need to connect our Metamask wallet. So whatever we do here on Uniswap will probably work on most sites the same way. For example, OpenSea, it would be exactly the same. Somewhere on the website you should have a button that you can connect your MetaMask wallet from. In this case it's this connect button. So we hit connect and it gives us the options to connect a wallet. As you can see, there are quite a few wallets. We are currently talking about MetaMask, so we choose MetaMask. And here is an important part. Always double check if you're on the right website when doing this step. Click on next and click on connect. On the top bar you can see that our wallet is now connected. We can see it here, we can see the address, and we can also see that the balance we had in MetaMask is exactly the same. So let's swap some ETH to some other token. There is an abundance of tokens here at Uniswap, but we will just pick some random coin for the test. And since we're using Uniswap, let's swap them for some Uni tokens. And for our whole balance of ETH, which is currently around $40, we can get around 6 Uni tokens. One token is 6.70 right now. As you can see, the network cost is quite big for the amount we are trying to exchange. So I will not do it now, but this is basically how it works. When you hit swap, your current ETH will be changed to Uni and the network cost will be taken from your balance. I hope that this video was helpful enough for you. So if you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.